See that? What the f was that, man? Bro, what is that? What the f is that, man? It's like bobbing up and down. Alright, welcome back, guys. We're just doing a couple of hours kayak session down at one of the local spots, right near the ramp, actually. The last time I fished here was literally the second time I took the kayak out. There's plenty of brim and flathead and whatever up on the mud flats around these mangroves. I don't want to jinx myself, but I swear the first time I came down here I was getting followed by something in the shallows. Could have just been a large stingray or something. As I was whipping up all the stuff on the bottom of the mud, I kept hearing these swishes behind me, and it was always like right behind my right shoulder. It was really sketchy. But look, I don't have a lot of experience with kayak fishing and whatever, so to be honest, it could have been anything. But there's definitely a lot of activity on these mud flats, so I'm going to keep chucking stuff around here, and yeah, we'll just fish for your typical light game, but you never know, there might be some good stuff around here. Anyway, enough talking, let's do this. Yep, something's on it. Yep. Oh, yep, it's getting hit. It's getting hit. Come on, it's a brim. It's definitely a brim. Oh, come on, man. Whoa, big hit. I wonder what it is that's feeding on them. Look at that. You watch them get smashed constantly. It's a mullet feast out here. Oh, did you see that? Right, something came up to grab it. I'm not using my polarized sunnies at the moment. I might have been able to see whatever that was. Flathead, I think. A little flatty. A little brim. Well, I mean, look, if it's working, I'll keep doing it. That's a hit. It's another hit. Yep. Ooh, nice initial run. No, it's just a flatty. Small flatty. Probably just the hook set that made him panic a bit and run like that. Yeah, he's not a big fish. Yeah. All right, chill out, man. Yeah, so as I said, there's a lot of fish here. I knew, obviously, you can see all the activity, but we're just not finding any quality ones at the moment. Yep, it's a hit. It's a small flatty again. Tests. It's almost unfair, this method. No, little brim. They're all around, all the brim are around that central sort of area, around there. Look at that. Big disturbance. Wonder what that is. Some friggin' big fish around here. Alright, I'm gonna try something different. Rather than the grub, I'm gonna troll a paddle tail. Whatever that big fish is, I hope it smashes my lure. Just trolled it through the exact same area, guys, and we're on again straight away within about 2 minutes. This feels like a better fish. Not a brim. Definitely a better fish. Trolling, eh? Who would have thought? I don't have a fish finder, so this is my method of finding fish. Not bad. A decent brimbo. Not too bad. Not bad at all. It's a hit. Yep, we're on. Whoa. What do we got here? What do we have here? Go on, take me for another run. Please be a good fish. Not another little flatty that's just got a lot of balls. What is it? What is it? Good brim. Oh, really good brim. Oh, he's a chunky boy. Nice Parramatta River brim. Had a decent little run. Yeah, so he's 32. He's not massive, but quality brimbo nevertheless. Oh. We're on again, guys. Small flatty. Again on the troll. I was right over where those whiting were getting spooked, so yeah, as I said before, there definitely would be flatty underneath them. Why wouldn't you be if you were a flatty? That's where the meals are being served. See you, mate. Grab that on the drop. It's a flathead for sure. Oh no, it's not. on a Brembo. That's a hit. That's a hit, we're on. Oh, what is that? See the tail come up? Yeah, I was struggling because I was getting the little tap 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 with the Brimbos. But I guess if you're trolling, it just doesn't give them the opportunity to sit there and pick at it. Like they have to think fast, you know what I mean? There you go. So decent fish. So another brim, probably about 30 again. So another solid fish with a head on him. Very nice indeed. But yeah, again, probably sort of that low 30s to mid 30s. So yeah, not bad at all. That was a bull shark. Yeah, that was definitely a bull shark. There was a big black tip on its tail. I'm gonna slow-mo that. Yeah, as I said, the first time I came here was the second time I took the yak out, and I was getting like just these weird like tail splashes behind me, and I would turn around and you would see like wakes and stuff behind me, and I'm like, what the hell is that? And it kept happening too, like all over here. And I was like, whatever it is, it seems to be following me. I wouldn't be surprised if there are bull sharks here. It's really quiet. It'll make a good spot for them to just chill and whatever. We'll go back around that way on the way back to the ramp. We'll see if we can get another look at it. I'm not too worried about you know, anything happening. We're on really shallow mud flats. I don't believe like really big ones are going to come up here, but who knows? And there's like no reports of them tipping kayaks or whatever. So yeah, bro, what is that? What the fuck is that, man? It's got like eyeballs and shit on it, man. What the fuck is that? Oof, that's gross, man. What the fuck? Bro, it looks like ball sacks or some shit, man. That is gnarly, man. What the fuck? Yuck, bro. Alright, this will be the final lap. Yeah, we'll head back to the ramp and go past this spot. But the first time I went past here too, I saw that big tail come up. So whatever it is that hangs around here. See that? What the fuck was that, man? Bro, what is that? It's like bobbing up and down. Yeah, another one there. So there's more than one, whatever it is. Alright guys, that's a wrap for me. Yeah, look, nothing too big. Couple of 30s brim. Still good fun, close to home. And I'm not relying on the weatherman recently. It's absolutely woeful. Like it says 10% chance of rain and then it buckets down, or it says no rain and then it buckets down, or it's sunny, or it's just crazy, man. Anyway, so yeah, as always, thanks for watching guys, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Till next time, peace.